Hey there, welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk skincare today, and specifically the Elizabeth Arden Ceramide Premier Intense Moisture and Overnight Renewal Cream. This face moisturizer claims to hydrate, renew, and visibly transform your skin overnight. I've had a chance to try it out, so let's dive into the real deal with this one. So what's all the fuss about? This cream promises to be an intensive moisturizer that works while you sleep, using a potent combination of ceramides and retinols to target dryness, fine lines, and skin texture. It's designed for those looking for a deep, overnight hydration boost. At 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliters, it's meant to be a nighttime treatment, but we'll see how it stacks up during my real-world use. First off, let's break down the ingredients. The magic here lies in its ceramide blend. These lipids are essential for your skin's natural moisture barrier, helping it retain hydration and maintain a healthy, balanced complexion. It also features retinols, which are famous for their ability to accelerate cell turnover, smooth fine lines, and fade dark spots. Together, these ingredients aim to rejuvenate the skin and give it that fresh, youthful glow by morning. I've been using this product every evening as part of my skincare routine, and I have to say, it's been a pretty luxurious experience. The cream itself is thick but not greasy, with a smooth, velvety texture that melts into the skin quickly. It absorbs well without feeling heavy, which is something I really appreciate, especially if you're prone to waking up with that sticky feeling some night creams leave behind. Now, the key part of my testing, how it feels overnight and the actual results. The first thing I noticed was how hydrated my skin felt by morning. My skin looked plump, refreshed, and visibly softer. The added bonus was the smoothness I felt when I touched my face, as if the cream had been actively working to renew my skin's texture. I didn't experience any irritation, which can sometimes happen with retinols, so that's a big win for me. On the downside, I do want to mention that if you have extremely sensitive skin, the retinol might be a little too much, especially if you're not used to retinoids in your skincare routine. In that case, I'd recommend easing into this one slowly or using it every other night. When it comes to value for money, this product falls on the higher end, but for good reason. Elizabeth Arden is a reputable brand, and the combination of ceramides and retinols makes this cream stand out in the market. Considering the performance, I do think it justifies the price, especially for those looking for a high-quality, multi-benefit night cream. I've used similar products in the past, other high-end moisturizers with ceramides and retinol, but this one does feel more refined. It's not as harsh as some others that leave you with peeling or redness, and the immediate hydration boost is a definite plus. That said, if you're looking for something that won't break the bank, you might want to check out alternatives like CeraVe's Skin Renewing Night Cream, which also has ceramides and retinol, but at a more affordable price. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy, with a nice jar that feels premium without being overly heavy. It's compact, so it's travel-friendly, and the screw-top lid keeps the product secure. As for longevity, I've been using this for a few weeks now, and I can see how the jar would last a while since a little goes a long way. So while it's a splurge, it's not something you'll run through too quickly, which adds to its value. Customer support-wise, I haven't had any need to reach out to Elizabeth Arden directly, but based on their solid reputation, I'm confident they'd handle any concerns professionally. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, I can recommend a few that give you similar results at a lower price point. But if you want that extra boost of luxury and targeted anti-aging benefits, this cream is definitely worth considering. So, is Elizabeth Arden Ceramide Premier Intense Moisture and Overnight Renewal Cream a keeper? In my experience, yes. It hydrates, renews, and visibly softens the skin, with a nice balance of rich texture and fast absorption. It's ideal for those with dry skin or anyone looking to take their nighttime skincare routine to the next level. It's also a great option for those starting to incorporate retinols into their regimen. If you've used this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.